can sit down, dear. You want to sit down? Sit down. Oh no. Don't touch them. Just sit down. Sit down and watch them. Sit down, Anna. Anna. And watch them. Say hello, birds. Yes. Give it to them. Say hello, birds. Wait. Bombok gitti oğlum. Bombok gitti benim oğlum. Ya, sikin. Mana. Anna, birds. Anna. Maybe do like this. Maybe they'll eat it off of your hand. I'm using Ziobek's method. He told me you have to throw it up high so they hear the noise. Here, throw it up high. Throw it.
Up high.
Up high. Here, throw it. Throw it up high. Up. And then they'll come.
Oh,
It's okay. Good job, birds. Good job, dear. Uh-oh. Have to clean up your nose. Look how they're eating. Cook. Diaptana kukula. What are they saying? What are they saying, dear? Oh, diaptama. Say hello, birds.